pagkatapos ng trending na talsal ni Bea Alonzo at ni Vincent ko, eto na ulit siya ngayon at magpapa-beauty. At dito nga nagkita sila ng kanyang BFF na si Hardy Bangagista at talaga napaka-supportive niya at hang saya niya para kay Bea. At syempre, lahat tayo masaya, no? Para sa kanya. Panoorin po natin.
It's so surreal.
So for today's injection, we want to get...
Oh my gosh!
You're back.
Talagang meant to be. Alam mo, hindi ko na napakaya siya. Hindi niya alam mapunta ka. Grabe.
Grabe yung glow.
Ikaw talaga.
What happened there?
We're just so happy.
Ninja.
Promise.
Yeah,
Masaya lang kami.
that's how it should be.
That's how it should
I
be.
know, dapat gano'n na lang nga siguro wedding eh. The better, the
Nice.
simpler, the better eh.
Yeah.
2 minutes lang. Ang patient ko today is Miss Bea Alonzo ko. Ayan! Congratulations, V! So happy for you. My gosh, super, 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 so happy for you.
Thank you.
Yes.
I'm very happy also.